The power is on at the moment and the meter is flashing as normal. Reading is 4873.72. I have a stopwatch going so we can monitor this. I'm now going to turn off the main power. That's off. There should be no load at all coming through this meter. It's flashing still, it's just gone up to 7.3. Flashing again. Huh. And 7.4. Once again you can see the fuse board is switched off at the same time. This item here is a clamp meter supplied by my energy supplier that wirelessly connects to a readout, which at this stage is showing no load whatsoever, but that is not a highly reliable way of monitoring usage, but it's useful, but it's not highly reliable. So about 2 weeks ago I monitored an increase in our usage, which I couldn't explain, 7.5 there, I couldn't explain through any of our lifestyle patterns. We were still switching things off regularly as we usually do to minimise our usage, but our usage had virtually doubled, possibly more than doubled. Monitored it for a few more days and then I've been in touch with the electricity company. But I just want to document that this meter with no load is measuring a steady increase in consumption, so that's nonsense. It must have developed this fault on a particular day. I don't know exactly which day it was because I only take readings roughly every week, which in itself I know is unusual, but there you go, 7.6. But we found it an effective way to monitor our usage and keep it very low. And all this just makes you wonder how many meters there are which are overreading, even when there would be no load at all, or very little load. Right, once it goes to 7.7, I will switch the power on and we will keep monitoring it for another minute or so. Meter dates from 2008. There we are, 7.7. Right, let me switch this back on. Switch. We have not much load on at the moment. I have a computer on upstairs. No lights on. The fridge is not pumping at the moment and no major appliances are on, so this shouldn't make much difference compared to the low load test. There we are, 7.8. Just waiting for 7.9. But you get the idea that it's the same, pretty much the same rate with the power switched on, even though there's not actually much load in the house at the moment. One laptop, that's all. RL79. Okay. I'll now complete the test, just to show again the power is on now. And that's our meter.